I'm Kara Backman, Marketing Manager at Franklin Empire, and today we have Camille LaRose, Regional Sales Manager for Wattstopper.
Good day.
Good day. Welcome, Camille. So Wattstopper is the leading manufacturer of lighting control since 1984. They have a wide range of lighting control products, and today Camille is going to show us the newest product called Digital Lighting Management.
Yes, thank you. It has been proven that lighting control saves energy. Putting occupancy sensors and switches will save energy. One of the things that we looked at Wattstopper is to try to take the installation and really make it simple. And if I look here at if you have projects that are lead, for example, and they're becoming more and more popular, and if it's not a lead project, then I would say more of a common sense. One of the things that is really coming out is doing what we call manual on. So when you walk in the room, the sensor is not going to turn the lights on automatically, but you'll have to press on the button. Also, you would have bi-level, so then 50% of the lights would come on and the other 50% would be manual on, which actually saves energy while you're occupying the room. So what we have here as an example is my two power packs for my two relays. I have my sensor that will go on the ceiling, and then I have my two switches that will go on the wall to do the manual on and manual off, or the sensor will time out. But when you look at it from an installation standpoint, there's a lot of wires here. And to do this installation, we'd be looking at 25 termination points, 17 on the low voltage side and 8 on the line voltage side. So we tried to take this and make it a really simple approach, and this is where DLM comes into place, and DLM stands for Digital Lighting Management. So this is an example of a room controller where I would have my power and my two loads coming in, and all I do is I just connect in a patch cord using a regular Cat5 patch cord that you can find anywhere. And I'll show you an example of what I would do is I would go to the room controller, I would just connect here, and then I connect, for example, in this case it's a dual relay, so I would have a 2-button switch. Now I would connect my sensor, and by doing this, that room controller has a little bit of brains into it, and it will recognize that in that room I've got a 2-button switch and a dual relay, and automatically the controller is going to configure itself to do bi-level 50% on and 50% auto on, 50% manual on. So this way we try to get an installation that is really quick and easy, and actually we've done some installation and we've shown that you could save 66% of labor installation. So this is how we try to keep things simple.
Because you mentioned that that one has 25, the standard way
yes,
is 25.
And this one, I've just shown, we go from 25 to 8 termination points. So we really make it quick and simple.
Wow, that's a lot of labor saving.
Yes.
And I hear a lot about occupancy sensors or vacancy sensors. Can you explain the difference?
Yeah, so what happened in the market is that there was a misconception with sensors that you would walk in a room and the lights would come on automatically. The sensor wasn't designed to be practical. It's designed to turn the lights off when you vacate the room. So because now you get this manual on feature that is coming more and more, they said, okay, how can we change this so that we have something that will be manual on and you turn the sensor off? So the terminology became a vacancy sensor. So the sensor is actually there to monitor if there's somebody in the room or not to shut the lights off.
Because you wouldn't want the lights to automatically turn on if there's enough daylight.
Exactly. If we have daylight, we can actually put a daylight harvesting device onto the system, and now your lights are not going to turn on the 50%. It will be the daylight first. Yes.
Very interesting. So if you would like to know any more information about DLM, Digital Lighting Management, visit Franklin Empire's website, FEinc.com or Wattstopper.com, and this new product will be available at all Franklin Empire branches across Quebec and Ontario. Thank you very much, Camille.
Thank you.